Okay, so we made it to the boat ramp at Blue Marsh, and now we're going to prepare the boat to splash it in the water. But there's a few things we have to do. So come on, I'll show you what we need to do. First thing we want to do is unplug the electric to the boat trailer so that we don't submerge the lights when they're hot and they'll crack, and then we got to replace the lights. We unhook it. Okay, next, we have to go to the back of the boat. The motor has a lock so that it can't drop down when we're trailering. We have to unhook that. You come over here, we have to unhook that so we can drop the motor down into the water. So just this lever, we pull out, and then we can drop the motor down. This motor has remote operating, so I don't have to climb up on the boat to drop the motor. While we're back here, we have to unhook our straps, because if we don't, when we put the boat in the water, it'll keep going in there. So there's one. Okay, that's two. Come on to the front. This particular trailer is a bunker trailer, meaning there are two long boards that the boat sits on. So with this one, I can unhook everything. If I had a roller trailer, I couldn't unhook the tongue, because if I stopped, the boat would roll off the trailer onto the ground. But with this one, we're safe to do that. I'm going to unhook the tongue also. Safety chain. Okay. So the boat's free. Boat's free, and it's ready to put in the water, but we need to get the dock lines ready. The first thing you have to decide is which side of the ramp you're going to go on. We're going to go on the port side or the left side of the boat. We're going to back it in that way. Take my line. Run it through the cleat. And it's ready if you have a second person with you. They're going to handle the lines as one person backs the truck down. We'll do the stern line also. You always want to make sure your plug is in the boat so it doesn't fill up with water. We did that earlier at the house. And with that, we're ready to put it in the water. And that's how it's done.